3.7 million views, 2.3 million views, another 2 million, and then, boom, hundreds of thousands more stacking up like it's nothing. And here's the part that makes it even crazier. This is all coming from a single channel called Crayon Capital. Now listen, they've only posted 19 videos. 19, and somehow they've already blown past 195,000 subscribers. Like, how does that even happen? No huge team, no massive brand behind them, just smart content, a clear niche, and something else that most people are completely overlooking right now. And here's where it gets even more interesting. This channel focuses on financial documentary style videos. You know, those deep, engaging breakdowns that feel cinematic, that keep you watching until the very end. The kind of content that actually builds trust and keeps people coming back. And because of that, they're pulling in anywhere from $9,000 to $29,000 per month. Yeah, from just 19 videos. Let that sink in for a second. Now I know what you're probably thinking. Okay, cool, but there's no way I can do that. And that's exactly where you're wrong. Because in this video, I'm going to show you the exact AI tool this channel is using behind the scenes. The same tool that's helping them create these high-quality videos without spending months learning editing or hiring expensive teams. And to prove it to you, this isn't just theory. I literally created a video myself using this AI. Watch this.
Everyone thinks this financial disaster was just bad luck, but the truth? It was built on purpose. Banks collapsed, money vanished, and panic spread fast. Even the experts didn't see it coming. They blamed bad loans and risky investments. But that's not the real story. Behind the scenes, the system was already broken. Banks took huge risks. Governments ignored warnings, and investors kept pushing. It wasn't an accident. It was a ticking time bomb. Then it exploded. Markets crashed, trust disappeared, and millions lost everything. Some say it wasn't a crisis. It was a setup. And here's the part people miss. It never really ended. The system changed, and the cost of living today, it started there.
No shortcuts, no fluff, just the real process. So don't blink, don't skip, because what you're about to see could completely change how you think about starting a YouTube channel. Let's jump into it. Step 1, generate ideas. All you have to do is go to ChatGPT, and this is where things get unfair, in a good way. Once you're inside, you're going to ask it something super simple. Generate 20 video ideas for a YouTube channel focused on financial documentaries. That's it. Hit generate, and instantly, you've got a full list of ideas ready to go. Now here's where you level up. You take the exact prompt I provided you, plug it in, and then just add your specific topic. Hit generate again, and now you're not just getting ideas, you're getting a full voiceover script plus detailed scene prompts. Now let's turn those ideas into visuals. Step 2, image generation. First, open Videoinu link in the description. This is one of the best AI tool that can do everything. The clip you watched was made with Videoinu within minutes. So take scene 1, copy the prompt, click AI image, paste it directly into Videoinu. Then select the model called Nano Banana Pro. Yeah, the name sounds wild, but trust me, it works. And hit generate. Boom, your first image is ready. Now don't stop. Go back, grab scene 2, paste it, generate. Scene 3, same thing. You're basically building your video piece by piece, scene by scene, and every click gets you closer to a full production. Before you know it, you've created a collection of high-quality, cinematic images that look like they took hours, but really only took minutes. Step 3, animate images. Take one of the images you just created, hover over it, and click Use. Now, when the animation option pops up, paste your animation prompt right in. And here's where it gets fun. You've got multiple animation models to choose from. Dance, Kling, Videoinu, even Sora. Each one gives a slightly different style and feel, so you can experiment depending on the vibe you want. Pick one, hit generate, and just like that, your image starts moving. This is the moment your content starts to feel real. Repeat this process for every image, one by one, turning each scene into a dynamic clip. Step 4, audio generation. Now it's time to bring your video to life with sound. Go back to the voiceover script you generated earlier, copy the entire thing, then paste it into the audio generation tool and hit generate. And just like that, you've got a clean, professional voiceover ready to go. No mic, no recording setup, no stress. This is one of the biggest advantages of using Videoinu. It saves you time while still delivering quality. And now you've got visuals, animation, and audio all ready. Let's put it all together. Step 5, combine all clips. Take all your clips and drop them into the timeline. Start arranging them in order so the story flows smoothly from one scene to the next. Then add your voiceover audio. Line it up so everything matches perfectly. Now add transitions. Keep them clean and smooth, nothing too distracting. You want your video to feel professional, not chaotic. Take a moment here, watch everything back, adjust anything that feels off, and when everything looks perfect, hit export. That's it. You just created a full YouTube video using AI. If you made it this far, hit that subscribe button because we're just getting started and there's a lot more coming.